Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest reviews and recommendations. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the new watch T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch from the Ultra Series 9. This watch is a game changer and a must-have for all you tech-savvy individuals out there. Let's start with the design and features of this amazing smartwatch. The T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch comes with a sleek 49mm size and a stunning 2.19-inch LCD screen. It's available in black, white, and orange and is made with high-quality zinc alloy material. The watch is also equipped with a wireless charging feature and is waterproof, IP65, so you can use it worry-free in any weather condition. Now, let's talk about the incredible functions that this smartwatch offers. From Bluetooth call support and motion monitoring to health monitoring and smart reminders, this watch has it all. It also has a heart rate monitor and can track your daily activity, making it a perfect fitness companion. Plus, it has multiple language options, making it accessible to a wide range of users. But what sets this smartwatch apart is its intelligent control feature and Bluetooth capability. You can control it with just your voice and pair it with your favorite devices to listen to music or access apps. In addition to all these amazing features, the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch has a sleek and modern design, making it a stylish accessory for any outfit or occasion. So, why should you invest in the new watch T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch? Well, with its advanced features, sleek design, and versatile functionality, this smartwatch is truly a game changer in the world of wearables. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who simply wants to stay connected on the go, this smartwatch is the ultimate companion for you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the new watch T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch and take your tech game to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you found this review helpful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome reviews and tech recommendations. See you in the next video.